today I'm going to be styling my hair in the cutest low bun hairstyle that I've ever installed. But then again, it's the only low bun hairstyle that I've ever installed. So in case you're wondering why my hair looks like this, it's because I've had it in a twist out for a little over 5 days. I took the mini twists that I had out because they were old, I had frizz, so I was like, you know what, let me just check these mini twists out. So that is why my hair is a little bit tangled. But to take out the tangles, I'm simply using my hands. I'm fluffing the hair out using my fingers, because if I try to use a comb, what will happen is instead the hair will just turn into an afro, and I don't want my hair to turn into a big afro. I started off by putting 2 twists at the very front, and while I feel like having those 2 strands of hair at the front of my head is a look, I also have a problem with the fact that hair just keeps on getting in my face. I couldn't put my head down without the hair getting in my face. So what I did was pin it back using a couple of bobby pins, and that solved my dilemma. I think it's time for me to make a very quick disclaimer. I think you're looking at me wondering, hey, like the video has skipped, like you've skipped a lot of parts. Pieces are missing here. How did you tie your hair back? Well, unfortunately, I kind of did lose the footage. So I honestly don't know exactly what happened, but after my recording the video, I went to edit and then I found that the video had kind of deleted itself. I don't know how. But for this hairstyle, what I did was part my hair down the middle, half and half. After tying my hair in buns, I wrapped the rest of the hair that was after the ribbons around itself, and then I tucked the ends into the ribbons, and then this is how the style looked like. After that, I put golden coated jewelry, and honestly at first I'd put one, then I added the second one just to see how it would look, because I didn't want to put too many because then I would look tacky, but then I didn't want also to put few because then that would look underwhelming, and I didn't want the hairstyle to look underwhelming. And that was the first way that I styled this hair. Second way that I was able to style this hairstyle was by wearing beads at the end. So this is kind of honestly something that I've done before, and yeah, I bought beads for this exact purpose. I didn't have a beader or a bead feeder, I don't know how they call them, but I decided to improvise and use an old bobby pin. So what I did was bite the end of the bobby pin to make it small enough for the bead to pass through, because I have small sized beads, and then I wrapped the bobby pin around my hair. I wrapped my hair around the bobby pin, and then after wrapping my hair around the bobby pin, what I did was feed in the beads. That took a little bit of getting used to because it was kind of complicated. I'd ever wore beads before, I'd ever tried and I'd learned, but then it's been like kind of a while since I wore beads, so I'd kind of forgotten how to install. So yeah, it took a little bit of getting used to. After installing the beads, I wrapped the ends of my hair around the last bead or above the last bead. After that, I pulled all the beads down, and then that was the look. It's very easy to install beads actually, despite the fact that I didn't have the beader. And yeah guys, I was pretty impressed with the style. It's actually one of the better looks that I've installed this week. I went out and I had fun and I took some pictures. No, I didn't take pictures because the lighting was very poor outside. It was kind of getting late, really late. It was like 6:45, so it was kind of getting dark, so the pictures didn't come out that well, but I love the look. Yeah, I put gel on my edges and wrapped it for it to mold onto my edges. And the next time you'll be seeing me, I'm going to be prepping my hair for wash day. I'm literally going to be detangling this hair because I'm going back to work next week and I need to prep my hair. I need to have it in a real protective style, not like these flimsy things that I'm having in right now. These are not real protective styles. So the next video that I'm going to be uploading is going to be me detangling my hair in preparation for wash day.